Hello Dnation and welcome back to a New Year special unbox and review episode. In today's episode, we're going to be unboxing a 1/16 scale Ducati Scrambler Cafe racer motorcycle with a rider manufactured by Bruder, and also see if this Ducati Cafe racer motorcycle would be compatible and match up in scale and size with a regular 1/18 scale licensed diecast motorcycle. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Welcome to a New Year's special episode, and as this is the holiday season, I'll be giving away a premium 1/18 scale Harley Davidson replica this week, so stay tuned till the end of this video to find out how you could get one. So, in today's episode, we're going to be unboxing a 1/16 scale Ducati Scrambler Cafe racer motorcycle with a rider manufactured by Bruder, which is a German toy manufacturer, and this is a premium 1/16 scale diecast motorcycle that comes with a 5-inch figure, and if that's not enough, the rider also comes with a removable helmet that matches this motorcycle and also a pair of riding gloves that is removable. Well, I'm really excited about this one as this motorcycle set looks simply elegant and amazing. And kindly be careful while using sharp objects, and keep in mind to keep these diecast motorcycles away from children below the age of 5, as the tiny parts can be hazardous. So keeping this in mind, let's get this opened. Well, at first glance, I'm really amazed with the quality and the build with this Bruder motorcycle set. This motorcycle is an amazing diecast replica which looks quite premium and has a good build quality to it, and also has quite a bit of detailing to it as well. And this model is manufactured mostly of high-grade ABS plastic, which makes this a premium collectible. This model measures in at 5 inches in length, 3.5 inches in height, 1.5 inches in width, and weighs in at about 90 grams. This model also comes with spot-on paint apps and branding details, and has free-rolling wheels, excellent suspension, and a lot more, which makes it a premium collectible. And the rider with this accessory is an awesome add-on to the set. And with this model, you're guaranteed a replica which is built to last and will warm the hearts of any diecast motorcycle collector or hobbyist. And so with that being said, now let's take a closer look at the amazing bodywork and the exteriors of this premium diecast motorcycle and the rider it comes along with. Well, I'm really amazed with the attention to detail on this motorcycle, and I love the two-tone gold and black paint job which makes this model pop. And this model gets a massive thumbs up for the exterior, and the rider with its accessories is an awesome bonus. So now let's place this diecast beauty on the Dnation dyno and check out its wheel spin and its functionality. And kindly find further features and specifications regarding this premium model in the description below. And not too long ago, I unboxed and reviewed the 1/16 scale motorcycle garage diorama set from Bruder, and in case you missed it and want to check it out, I'll drop the link to it in the description below. So go check it out and let me know what you think. Well, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with this premium motorcycle model. And so with that being said, now let's clear our biggest doubt. Can this Ducati motorcycle be added to my 1/18 scale diecast motorcycle collection? Well, let's go ahead and find out. Well, this is the Honda Africa Twin, and this 118 scale licensed diecast motorcycle is manufactured by Maisto. This replica motorcycle measures in at 4.8 inches in length, 3 inches in height, 1.5 inches in width, and weighs in at about 110 grams and comes with signature paint job, free rolling wheels and suspension. Now let's place this Ducati Scrambler side by side with this model and make a visual comparison. So here we go. Well, what can I say? By the looks of it, they almost match up in size with minor unnoticeable visual differences, which doesn't really bother me. And I'm all the more happy now as I could add this motorcycle to my 118 scale diecast motorcycle collection, so guess it's a win-win. And I'm really glad I picked this up. So with that being said, let's get this Scrambler on the Dnation turntable and take a look at this beauty in a 360-degree view. And here are a few fun facts. Many people consider motorcycling a pure passion, and so is the Ducati manufacturer's emotions. This is a statement that is reflected in any model made by the Italian motorcycle manufacturer. In this process, the Scrambler Cafe racer embodies one of the most influential moments in the motorcycling history, originating in the 1960s, thus bringing back this rebel into the focus of integrating contemporary elements. Bruder has now added this impressive motorcycle to its range. Design elements such as golden wheels, the exhausts, or the mirrors on the end of the handlebars have been taken over with extremely high attention to detail, and the model has simultaneously been equipped with functions such as the steered fork or spring-loaded rear axle. The racer is handled by a B-World figure featuring authentic clothing, matching helmet and riding gloves that are removable. And for further information on Bruder toys, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this amazing motorcycle set that is featured in today's video, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts in regards to this amazing diecast motorcycle set. And this being the holiday season, I'll be giving away a 118 scale premium Harley Davidson motorcycle this week, and all you've got to do to get one of these amazing replicas is to subscribe to Dnation, like and share this video, and follow our official Instagram, links in the description below. So hurry and get your Harley now. And this brings us to the end of this amazing unbox and review episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this episode, please do drop your comments below, and stay tuned for a lot more exciting episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.